To do the plank every day does this to your body, and how to do it correctly. The plank is a strength training exercise that works the major abdominal muscles while also strengthening the shoulders, chest, neck, and glutes, as well as the quadriceps and back muscles. It is known as an isometric exercise, as it involves contracting the muscles while maintaining a fixed position. Let's see in this video what happens to your body when you do it every day. Before delving into it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to stay up to date with our updates. Strengthens your core. When it comes to developing core strength, the plank is the queen, because it can work all 4 muscle groups of the abdomen. Doing the plank helps strengthen the rectus abdominis, deep core stabilizer muscles, and internal and external obliques. It also works the hip mobilizing muscles and the back muscles. Strengthening each muscle group is crucial as it serves its purpose. Strengthening the core muscles increases the ability to lift heavier weights, improves athletic performance, especially in jumping, and contributes to achieving the famous six-pack with well-developed oblique muscles. Focuses on the enhancement of muscle definition through plank exercises. This is a noteworthy advantage, as the plank not only targets the abdominal muscles, but also engages the shoulders, chest, and legs. The combination of the plank's posture and isometric contraction contributes to the development of lean muscle, resulting in improved overall muscle definition throughout the body. This comprehensive approach ensures that multiple muscle groups are involved, leading to a more sculpted and defined physique. Regular incorporation of the plank into one's fitness routine can significantly contribute to achieving a toned and well-defined muscular appearance. Boosts metabolism. Planking goes beyond its immediate physical demands. It acts as a metabolic catalyst, triggering a holistic activation of the body. This comprehensive engagement during the plank exercise contributes significantly to a boosted metabolism, promoting efficient calorie burning and aiding weight management. The enduring effort invested in planking continues to yield benefits, even during moments of rest. This heightened metabolic state not only facilitates weight improvement but also establishes a sustained calorie burning effect, influencing the body's overall metabolic rate even when not actively engaged in exercise. The plank becomes a dynamic tool in fostering long-term metabolic well-being, improves bone and joint health. Engaging in regular plank exercises provides substantial benefits to bone and joint health. This is attributed to the plank's unique ability to stimulate the generation of new, vital bone tissue, fostering the development of stronger and more resilient bones over time. In contrast to certain exercises that can lead to significant muscle discomfort, the plank specifically encourages joint circulation. This, in turn, facilitates smoother interactions between bones, promoting joint flexibility and overall joint health. The plank stands out as a low-impact yet effective method for maintaining the integrity and functionality of the skeletal system. One of the best basic exercises. Including the plank in a varied routine brings numerous benefits. Planks are excellent when mixed with a variety of cardiovascular and strength training exercises. Regular practice helps keep the spine aligned and maintains strength in the rest of the back, preventing injuries from strain. Enhances posture. Improving posture is a significant advantage of incorporating the plank into your fitness routine. As you engage in the plank, the meticulous control of spinal muscles facilitates the attainment of optimal posture. This exercise uniquely targets the back, chest, shoulders, abdomen, and neck, encouraging a natural alignment of these key areas. The cumulative effect is a marked enhancement in overall posture, not just during the plank but also when at rest. By consistently practicing the plank, you promote a sustainable and healthy alignment of your body, positively impacting your day-to-day comfort and well-being. The strengthening of abdominal muscles through regular plank exercises plays a crucial role in diminishing back pain. As these muscles become more robust, the body gradually relies less on the excessive strain and overextension often placed on the back muscles. This reduction in dependency results in a noticeable alleviation of back pain, and in some cases, it may lead to its complete elimination. The plank's targeted engagement of the core contributes significantly to spinal support, promoting a more balanced distribution of effort across muscle groups and fostering overall spinal health and well-being. Engaging in regular planking not only diminishes back pain, but also significantly lowers the risk of spinal injuries. This exercise, targeting the entire body, effectively alleviates pressure on the spine and hips. Beyond pain reduction, consistent planking strengthens the entire back region, creating a robust foundation that enhances resistance during other exercises. This added strength and stability contribute to a decreased likelihood of sustaining injuries, making planking a valuable component in injury prevention and overall spinal health. Integrating this simple yet powerful exercise into your routine can foster a resilient and injury-resistant back. Improves balance. Incorporating planks into your fitness routine lies in the enhancement of balance. The isometric hold characteristic of the plank exercise promotes holistic stability, fostering a general refinement in both balance and coordination. By stabilizing the body in a horizontal position, individuals can significantly improve their ability to maintain stability in the more instinctive and vertical state. This improvement in balance has broader implications for overall physical performance and daily activities, showcasing the plank's effectiveness not only in building core strength, but also in fortifying the body's fundamental sense of equilibrium. Increases flexibility. Regular plank practice goes beyond building core strength. It significantly contributes to enhancing overall flexibility. As the body engages in the plank position, joints experience a broad range of motion, with particular emphasis on the shoulders, scapulae, and clavicle. This dynamic exercise promotes flexibility and elasticity, fostering increased mobility in these key areas. Notably, the oblique muscles, often overlooked in traditional exercises, are actively involved, leading to improved flexibility and resilience. Incorporating planks into a routine proves invaluable, not just for core stability, but also for fostering a more agile and supple body. Improves mood and relieves stress. Performing the plank allows the body to reach its maximum stretch, releasing tensions and reducing stress. Exercise helps relieve tension, releases endorphins, and improves mood. Despite the effort, the plank lifts the mood and alleviates daily stress. Doing the plank correctly. To get the maximum physical benefit from the effort you put in, follow these steps for a perfect plank. Start at the top of a push-up position with elbows directly under the shoulders. Engage the abdominal muscles, pulling the navel towards the spine while keeping the back neutral. Contract the quadriceps and glute muscles to firm up the legs. Keep the shoulders away from the ears and balance on the toes. Aim to hold the plank until you feel you can no longer maintain the proper alignment. Try to hold it until you feel the muscles start to burn and the body trembles. Additionally, there are variations of the plank, such as the side plank and reverse plank, which activate different muscle groups. Remember to maintain proper form for optimal results. Lastly, the video suggests a 2-minute plank challenge for those brave enough. Increasing the duration gradually with practice and consistency will lead to achieving the 2-minute plank. The plank is an incredible and simple exercise that anyone can learn and should include in their exercise routine. It offers numerous benefits, focusing intensely on core muscles, the skeletal system, and even organs. While there are precautions to consider with variations, the benefits of regularly doing the plank outweigh the risks. Start incorporating it into your routine and witness the positive changes. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have anything to add, please share it with us in the comments section. Like this video and share the link with your family and friends, so they too can know what the plank does to the body when done every day and how to do it correctly.